Hello everyone, my name is Vince. Today, I will be showing you how to install Windows XP on a virtual machine. But before we can start with the installation of Windows XP, you must have these two requirements. And these two requirements are the Windows XP Professional ISO file, so you can download it here in this website. And then the next requirement is the virtual machine or the Oracle VirtualBox that we will be using. So here you can download this, and I will be dropping the links in the description below. So the first thing is, I'm assuming that you already have this too, so I will be opening the VirtualBox. Wait for a second and let's go. Let's click new, and then you can type whatever name you want, but for me I will be typing XP Windows XP tutorial, and then select your ISO file that we have downloaded earlier, and then always check for version. If it's right in here, it is already the right version. And here is the product key. I already have the product key. I will also be dropping this in the description below. So in this case, I won't be putting it immediately here. I will be showing you the full manual process of installation. So let's go on the hardware part. Let's allocate at least 2 GB of RAM for faster installation and faster process of virtual machine. And then let's go again and skip unattended installation, then finish, and then click start to start, of course. Let's wait for a while. And there we go. I'll be adjusting its size for a second for a better view. Is 150, and then wait for the setup, and there you go. To continue, just press enter, and to agree with the licensing agreement, just press F8. In here, you can create another partition, or you can just press enter to install it in the unpartitioned space. So in my case, I'll be installing it on the unpartitioned space. In this part, you can choose which format you should use. So I will be using the NTFS file system quick. The difference between the quick and the non-quick is that the quick removes all the files or format the space, but not check for bad sector. But in the full format, it will check for the bad sector of your HDD. So in my case, I don't have any problem with my HDD, so I will be using the file system quick. Okay. Just press enter, and here we'll just wait for a while for the setup to finish.
Iharap nyo sa akin yung tabatsoy na yan ha.
So the setup is now done. Um, we'll just wait for it to reboot. So here, do not press any key or you will be stuck on a boot loop. So we don't want that, so don't press any key. And this will be the installation process. It will be all done by the Windows. Just wait for the pop-ups to come, because there will be setup for you. You will be setting it up. Setting it up. And here's mob. So here is the pop-up. With the customized button, you can select your preferred language and region. But in my case, I won't be changing anything. So I'll just click next, I'll just put my name here and my organization, let's say mob organization, and then the product key that I have mentioned earlier. So I will be dropping this in the description below as well. Wait for me, just wait for me to copy it. X Q to M Y K. And there we go. So here's the computer name, and you can also put put an administrator password, but in my case again I won't be putting one. And you can also change the date, time, and the time zone. I'll just leave it as it is. And then another installation process. Let's wait for a while. And there we go. So choose whether to use typical or custom settings. I will be using typical settings. No, this is yes, next, and that's it. Wait for the process again. And there we go. The installation process is now finished. Again, do not press any key or you will be stuck in the loop process or the boot loop. Just click OK to continue, and then adjusted your screen resolution. OK. Just wait for it again. It might take a while. I'm sorry for the background noise. So, a few things to set up. Just click next. Of course, help protect my PC. Next, and wait for the virtual machine to connect with the internet. And then local area network, digital. Let's go back. Skip. Not at this time. I won't be registering with the online Microsoft. And then just input your user. Let's say Vince. And there we go. We have finished the installation, but we're not finished yet. We'll be checking if the operating system is actually working. So let's change some of its properties. Maybe let's change its background to a dog. Okay. Working. Let's check the music as well. Okay. We need to install the driver, so it's already finished. And there you go. It's working. Let's try some games, at least Minesweeper. Games. Pinball. Let's try the pinball. Pinball. And how do I play this? And I'm really sorry for the background noise. So I think that is all for my tutorial, Windows XP installation tutorial. So let's wrap things up, and thank you guys. I hope you enjoy this installation tutorial. Thank you.